Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install HP LaserJet 1320 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see two links there being attached, and if you're using a 32-bit PC, then proceed on the specified link. And if you're using on the 64 bit PC, then use the link that it is being attached under the 64-bit. So from that on, once you have copied it, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, you can see there a best match. Please click on Open to continue. So the moment you have bring up the Google Chrome browser, please paste the link that you have copied it. Please press Ctrl V in the keyboard and you would be able to paste the link that you have copied. Please click on enter the moment you have pasted it. So you would be redirected to this mega file and you would be able to see an attachment file where you can download such. All you need to do is you need to click on this download option aligning to what and eventually it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until this downloading process would be finished before we can proceed. Once it is being downloaded, directly proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon. Please click this folder icon so that you will be redirected to the location where it is being placed to or saved. The next step that we need to do is we need to move it from the downloads to the desktop. So by that, please select it, click this cut icon at the upper left side of the screen, close the window as well as this, and here at the desktop, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, okay, you need to move it here at the center. And the next step that we need to do is we need to extract this one. So by that, please do a right click. Okay. And from here, please click on this and go with extract to. Once you have extracted it, a new file would be created. Okay, which is this. The next step that we need to do is we need to move on to the button search bar and type for settings. You can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. So from here, please click on Open to continue. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please locate for an option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down and proceed with this one, devices option. And under the devices section, you need to scroll down once again and locate for more devices and printer settings. So click on it. And the moment you do it, you will be able to see all of the devices that you have, and that includes the printers that you have installed. So from here, please proceed at the upper left side of that. You can see there add a printer. Please click on it, and this window would show up. So you would be able to see an option at the bottom of that where you can see the printer that I want is enlisted. Please click on it so that you would be able to bring up this window where you can find a printer by other options. So click on this, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Once you have selected it, please click on next and it will ask you to use an existing port. Please click this down arrow and select among of these three ports, which is a USB port. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be selecting USB 001. Once you have set it, click on next and go with this option called have disk. So the next step that we need to do is we need to browse the extracted file that we have extracted earlier, and please proceed to the desktop since it is being saved there, and please scroll down and go with your extracted file. From that on, please double tap to it and go with the drivers. Okay, double tap once again, double tap. And if no items match on your search, don't worry, click this down arrow and please proceed to this one and you can see all of the printer driver that you can choose to. So this printer driver functions similarly. So all you need to do is you need to select among one of this, okay? So all you need to do is you need to double tap to it, and once you have set it, click on OK, and it will show you here. The next step that you need to do is you need to click on this next, okay? Click on next once again, and it will now eventually start on installing the printer. You just have to wait until it will be installed. So from here, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can now start on, you can now continue on the installation process. Once you're good, please click on next, click on finished, and you're good to go. So that's it. You can now close the window, and that's it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.